Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment key for the class 7th class of dated 2nd July 2020 for the topic Europe and the subtopic mountains, plains and plateaus. Here we have the first question children. Coming to the first question. Name the mountains of Europe. I repeat the question children. Name the mountains of Europe. Like our country, in European continent, we have major mountains. Before going to the answer, let's have a glance regarding how mountains has been taken. Because of the movement of the earth, like plate tectonics, because of the collision, the land form is going to increase a little bit. Clear children? In such type of issues, we can find or some mountains have been formed. And the second case, coming to the second case, when there is a pressure or when the temperature has been raised in the interior part of the earth, it is going to affect to the exterior part of the earth. Then the land is going to be bulge. What is the meaning of bulge? It is going to grown up in a particular platform. It is going to bulge. Especially such type of the things we can find in oceanic part, where we can find about the islands. How the islands have been formed? The land in the below the water has been raised to a particular extent. Then the islands has been formed. So now the question is, name the mountains of Europe. Coming to the answer, the first one is Aral Mountains. The first one is Aral Mountains. And the second one is about Scandinavian ranges. What is the meaning of a range here? A height on the landform. Clear children? And the third one is about Pyrenees Mountains. Pyrenees Mountains. And the next one is fourth one is about Carpathian Mountains are some of the major important mountains in Europe continent. I repeat the answer children. The mountains are about Aral Mountains, Scandinavian ranges, Pyrenees Mountains and Carpathian Mountains. These are all the major mountains in European continent. We are moving to the second question children. Coming to the second question. What do you mean by a stream and drift? What do you mean by stream and drift? Clear children? I repeat the question again. What do you mean by stream and drift? Before going to the answer, let's have a glance regarding about a stream. The water flow, for example, if we take the flow of a river, the flow of one of the major river. Clear? The river have many branches. What is the meaning of branch? Tributaries. So this river water or the river from the tributaries has been diverted to the agricultural lands in the form or in a path, in a particular path where we call it as a stream. I repeat children, taking about a major river, and major river have about n number of tributaries. From the major river or from the tributaries, the flow of water has been diverted to the particular area, either for agriculture purpose or to storing about the water in the tanks or the ponds, where we call such type of diversion of flow of water as a stream. As a stream. Clear, children? Now moving to the answer. Gulf Stream, the oceanic water current. Gulf Stream, the oceanic water current which flows specially is called as a stream. Just now I said in the pictorial part. Is it clear, children? Whereas the North Atlantic drift, the ocean water current which flows slowly is called drift. Clear, children? The Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream of the ocean water or ocean current water which flows speedily, speedily is called as stream. Is called as stream. Coming to the drift, it is quite opposite to the stream, children. The oceanic water in the North Atlantic drift drift. What is the meaning of a drift here? In the sense, the flow of water is moving slowly. The flow of water will be there, but it comparing to the stream, it is quite opposite. In the stream, it is about speed moving of the water, but here slow movement of the water, where we call it as a drift. Clear, children? We are moving to the next question now. Coming to the third one, name the countries through which Danube flows. Name the countries through which Danube flows. Clear, children? Coming to the answer, here we have the countries like Germany, Austria, Hungary, Bosnia, and etc. So the countries are Germany, Austria, Bosnia, Croatia, Romania, clear, children, etc. So the remaining countries are like Croatia, Romania, Hungary, Slovakia, the Ukraine. These are all the countries where the Danube flows. I repeat the answer, children. Again, coming to the question, name the countries through which Danube flows. Here we have the countries like Germany, Austria, Romania, Bosnia, Croatia, Hungary, Ukraine, etc. Among these countries, the flow of Danube is going to be taken. Clear, children? I hope you enjoyed the session. Have a nice day. Thank you.